So what are we doing today? Well, I heard this sound in the forest and I thought it was my cat that looks just like a wild animal, but it wasn't her. It was this owl, and you're gonna see red eyeballs because it's really dusk. But I'm like right in front of this owl. It's just right there. And it's just amazing. This particular owl lets me get really close to it. And I mean, usually you don't even see owls that much. But this owl has to be able to hear me. I am literally right under the branch that this owl is under. And unfortunately you're seeing a lot of red eyeball, but I just think that's pretty amazing. And I know this bird can hear me. I mean, certainly it can see me. I am literally standing right under this owl. And I'm sure my camera's out of focus because of it. But I think that's pretty amazing. Oh, there it goes. It's just down on the ground hunting. Must be a lot of mice around here. And there, it's almost invisible, but it's right down there on the ground.